Good morning, welcome to Nonno's table. Today we will make Spaghetti Alla Carbonara. This is a piece of guanciale and I make it every year myself. I make four of them every year. So I take the skin off. Beautiful. Smells amazing. Then you cut it this way. Don't take any fat off because that's the flavor that it gives to the pasta. Okay, now we're waiting for the water to boil, but at the same time we're going to start to cook the guanciale, because the guanciale takes a little bit. It has to be nice and crisp. You put the guanciale in a fry pan at medium heat with nothing inside, just the guanciale, because the fat from the guanciale, that will be your condiment for the pasta. So we will show you after at the end when it's nice and crisp, when it, make sure it boils good. And you can see that it's perfect to see the guanciale makes nice and crisp too. Put this on the side. Guanciale. Okay, now this one here, we'll leave it here, and then we will use it to for condiment the pasta. We'll wait until the pasta is cooked about 10 minutes. Okay, now we're going to crack the eggs. Now we will put 3, 1 each. Beat them up good. Add the pecorino. You could use half a pecorino, you could use half a parmesan, or you could use whole parmesan. It depends how you like it. Pecorino is a very strong. Be careful when you put pasta in the water because it can be very salty, the pecorino. Put it back in the fire, see the fire, the pasta is out, and then you add about 1 cup of water inside that fat. You strain the pasta. You toss it. Make sure you have some fresh ground black pepper. All of it, nice like this. Make sure some of the water disappears, some of the juice. Then you add your eggs and parmesan, and then you take it out from the fire. Because otherwise you're going to make scrambled eggs. You add your pancetta on top, your guanciale on the top. A little bit fresh ground black pepper. It's ground fine, this one here. A little bit more cheese. And that's it. Bon appetit.